loss of what to do with all your fall harvest goodies.
Jen Burns is in the Fox 13 Cafe making an egg white scramble that'll help you use some of those veggies too out of the garden. Hi, Jen.
Hi there. Yes, this is definitely a heart-healthy one. Are you both big fans of the egg scramble in the morning?
Oh, yeah, even at night.
Even at night.
All works.
I like that, Tamara. That's true. And I have a guest here. I have Denise Bruno, who's the cardiology director at Intermountain Medical Center Heart Institute. Thanks for coming and cooking with me.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're going to get started here. We're doing an egg white omelet. As you can see, Denise, there's lots of color on the table, lots of veggies. Maybe you even have some of these tomatoes growing right now. Is this approved by you? This
absolutely. A lot of fiber, vegetables.
All right, perfect. Let's get going. If you can help me, as you know, obviously we're doing egg white. That would, more healthy for the heart, I think, than using the whole egg.
Yes.
So we're going to do egg white. If you can help me with that and separating some of those, and then we're going to put in a little bit of oregano and some basil. I'm going to be over here cutting up some zucchini, red bell pepper, green bell pepper. We're going to saute it, and then we'll put it all together. So let me ask you, Denise, what exactly do you do at the Intermountain Medical Center Heart Institute?
Actually, my clinical obligations are with nuclear cardiology and the cardiac PET services at Intermountain Medical Center.
Now, how is technology changing the way now that you diagnose heart problems?
Technology has grown into being categorized as advanced diagnostic technology, which actually allows the cardiologist to be able to proactively assess heart disease in patients in a non-invasive environment.
Okay. And now, with that new technology, how does that imaging technology work?
It is a technology where there's two different types of technology that are housed in one unit: PET camera, which is a nuclear camera to assess blood flow, and a CT scanner, which is actually used to visualize the structural heart aspects of the heart.
And how does the new technology benefit the heart patient then?
More clinical information is provided in one procedural setting. We can assess the blood flow to the heart as well as look at the structural damage of the heart muscle. Plus the EKG analysis of the heart and looking for calcium in the coronary arteries.
Okay, very good. Now, do you suggest people on a regular basis come and get tested?
No, this is strictly done for patients who, it's a diagnostic tool to determine if they need interventional procedures. It is done for patients who have heart disease, chest pain, problems of that nature.
Gotcha. Okay, very good. Well, thank you for helping me here. We've got it started. And Tamara and Carrie, when we come back, we'll put together the whole egg scramble, and we'll all share it together.
A healthy dish for us all. Thanks so much. And for the full recipe, just visit our website. Yeah, we're going to check back in with Jennifer Burns now. She's finishing up that egg white scramble in the Fox 13 Cafe. How are things going, Jennifer?
They're going great. It smells very good in here. And I have a very special guest. I have Denise Bruno, who is actually the cardiology director at Intermountain Medical Center Heart Institute. Are you enjoying our little egg white scramble?
Oh, absolutely. This is fun.
We're going to enjoy it more when we eat it here in a few minutes.
Yes.
Okay, so let me just recap what we did right here. We started out and we sauteed some red bell pepper, green bell pepper, some zucchini, and you can go ahead, Denise, and be cutting that tomato. That would be perfect. We actually have just some egg whites in there. Then we seasoned it with some and basil there. Now, I understand you have some new state-of-the-art technology at Intermountain Medical Center Heart Institute that's pretty unique. And we talked a little bit about that. What is it called, and tell us a little bit more about that technology.
Yes, the Intermountain Medical Center Heart Institute actually has the only dedicated cardiac PET CT scanner in the Intermountain West, which really elevates our facility to the same level as Johns Hopkins and Emory University, Cleveland Clinic, who have nationally renowned cardiac facilities.
Okay, very good. And then if you come in and you're having the symptoms of having some issues with your heart, you have this technology and the test done, then what's the process after that? Who reads it? How's it diagnosed, and so on?
We have specialized interpreting cardiologists who actually look at these images of the patient in a resting and an exercise phase of the heart, looking for the abnormalities of blood flow to the heart and to damage to the heart muscle.
Okay. Well, since we're cooking a very heart-healthy meal here, let's talk about, you were telling me a little bit earlier about the effects of obesity and how that, can affect the heart. Let's talk about that a little bit.
Well, this test in itself is probably advantageous to the growing obese population of our of the United States. And one of the reasons why is because of its higher resolution images that we can produce using this technology. It actually gives us more clinical information as well for the patient, which is a benefit to the patient and also while providing 75% less radiation exposure to the patient for these types of diagnostic testing.
That sounds like a major benefit, I would say.
Yes, it is.
All right, since we eat with our eyes first, Denise, what are you thinking about our egg scramble over here with all that beautiful color?
It smells wonderful, it looks wonderful, and when can we dive in?
I have 2 forks right here. Let's finish it off. A little fresh basil just for you. And thank you so much for coming in and cooking with me.
Thank you for having me.
And for you, a fork.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Ladies, we have 2 more for you. And for Dana.
And if you want the recipe for this one, all you have to do is head to our website, fox13now.com, search Veggie and Egg White Scramble.